In this tutorial, you will see how to capture and analyze dynamic material handling using AGVs. We start with a 2D layout plan, which captures production operations and material flow paths within the workflow. The flow block represents the CognitiveFlow, mission planning, and execution engine. It dynamically assigns and coordinates missions to each AGV in the fleet. We can easily draw allowed trajectories for the mobile robots and build a roadmap that we can further parameterize, enabling the mission engine to take into account things like velocity, concurrent allowed vehicles, and if overtaking is allowed or not. In this example, components at Machine 1 and 2 are being produced and transported by the AGVs to the assembly station, where the final production is assembled and transported into storage. AGV positions and mission states are displayed with colored squares. The coloration and numeric count provides users with continuous real-time feedback. Unlike legacy simulation tools, CognitiveFlow's digital twin engines takes interactive input and immediately applies the information to further optimize the mission's assignments, without any delay or interruption. In this example, we increase the size of the AGV fleet and observe the immediate impact on throughput. CognitiveFlow engine optimizes the missions for the robots continuously to minimize transport time. Statistical reports are also dynamic and provide a summary view of the fleet. CognitiveFlow dynamically displays the component count and state of each production operation using round-colored circles. This allows you to monitor the performance of your factory, the transport matrix, and discover opportunities for further optimization. In our next tutorial, we will take a closer look at path planning and optimization.